Hi there. One of the challenges you hear about each and every day in the real estate industry is a lack of inventory. There's just not a lot of supply. So when you're finding homes that are in your ideal neighborhood, in the right school district, etc., they may not be move-in ready. So what do people do? They just keep on looking, even though it might be the right fit, but it's just not what they ideally want. Well, we can help solve that problem. Did you know that you can finance additional square footage into your purchase? And it's that purchase loan. If you found that home that's maybe just right, other than it's missing a bedroom, it's missing a bathroom, or even something simpler, like you just need some paint and carpet, we can take care of that. But don't forget to think about financing additional square footage. It's out there, it's available. If you need it and everything else is right, that's how you get creative in today's market. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Happy to help. Take care.